In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost in Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through how to create a shipping profile so you can control exactly how shipping is applied to specific products in your funnels. By the end of this video, you'll know where to find the settings, how to set everything up correctly, and how to keep things organized as your product catalog grows. First, go ahead and log into your Clickfunnels account, and from your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to navigate to Workspace Settings. This is where most of your global configurations live, including shipping, taxes, and other important options that affect your entire workspace. Click on Workspace Settings to open that area. Once you're inside Workspace Settings, look for the Shipping option in the menu. Click on Shipping. This section is dedicated to everything related to how you charge and manage shipping for your products. At the top of the shipping page, make sure you're on the Profiles tab. Shipping profiles are essentially groups of rules that you can apply to one or more products. Using profiles helps you keep things flexible. For example, you might have different shipping setups for domestic versus international orders, or separate rules for light items and heavy items. So, double-check that the Profiles tab is selected before moving forward. Now click on Create Shipping Profile. This will start the process of building a new profile from scratch. A window or form will open, asking for some basic information. The first thing you'll want to fill in is the name for your shipping profile. Choose a descriptive name that clearly tells you what this profile is for. Something like domestic shipping or US standard shipping works really well. A clear name will save you time later when you have multiple profiles and need to know at a glance which one applies to which products. Next, click on Select Products. This is where you assign specific products to this shipping profile. When you do that, Clickfunnels knows which items should use the rules and costs defined under this profile. You'll see a list of your products. Check the boxes next to each product that should be included in this profile. Take a moment to be accurate here. You don't want to accidentally apply the wrong shipping settings to a product. Once you've selected the correct products, click Select to confirm your choices. After you've named your profile and assigned the products, the last step is to click Create Profile. This saves your new shipping profile and activates it for the products you chose. From this point on, whenever a customer purchases one of those products, Clickfunnels will use the shipping settings tied to that profile. That's all there is to creating a shipping profile in Clickfunnels.